Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video, we saw like how we can perform the serialization and deserialization in the Python. So in this particular video, we'll be learning another amazing concept actually. We can save any kinds of Python object in a binary format, which is called pickling. Okay, pickling in Python. So what is pickling exactly? Pickling is nothing but, if I tell you in an easy way, see, pickling is nothing but it tries to convert any Python object, okay, into a byte stream. That means into a binary representation, okay, binary format. So this concept actually we use whenever, let's say, we work in the field of machine learning, deep learning, right? So there actually we usually save our model in the binary format, and we use that particular model later on. Let's say in machine learning, you have two kinds of condition. First of all, you have to train the model with respect to your data. After training the model, what you have to do, you have to do the prediction on top of the new data. Okay, that is the idea. So whenever we train the model, that particular training model I have to save in a file so that I can load that particular model later on and I can do the prediction, okay, after that. So to save this particular model, we use this particular pickling format. That means, see, whatever machine learning model you are training, at the end you are getting a Python file object. Nah? So that is what actually we'll be doing. So here we can save any kinds of Python file object, okay, in a binary format, and we can load it and we can use it as it is. But in our previous video, we saw actually how we can store any kinds of Python data type, okay, any kinds of data, how we can write any kinds of data in a file format, like JSON file format, then a TXT file format, right? But we can't save any kinds of object as it is. It is not possible. Okay, so that's why we have to use this particular pickling pickling actual technique inside Python. Now see, here I have given one example. Let me show you how this particular pickling works. So let's say here I have created a function called display information. This particular function will return the information about me. You can see, hi, my name is Bappi and I am a programmer. Let's say this is my function. Now let's say I want to save this particular function as it is. Okay, as it is, it will save this particular function object itself in a binary representation. So what I can do, first of all, I will call this particular function and I will store this particular function in a variable called d, because you can see this function is returning something. That's why I'm storing inside d. Now what I will do, I'll just use this particular pickle, okay, pickle module inside Python. So there is a module called pickle. You have to use this particular module called pickle. Okay, so it is already inbuilt module inside Python. You don't need to install it. Now see, the same way I'll open the file. Now see, the file you are opening, this should be in a pickle format. Okay, not in a JSON format, not in a TXT format. It should be .pkl. That means it's a pickle format file right now. Okay, so I'm creating a file inside files folder, and the name of the file is function.pickle, and I'm opening in a write binary mode. That means I want to write a binary file here. Okay, that's the idea. As if, now see what I'm doing, pickle.dump. What I want to dump this particular d object. That means my function object, display function object, and this is my file object. Okay, here I'm passing this particular file object. Okay, I hope you got it. Now see, if I execute the program, now you can see this file has been saved inside my files folder. Okay, function.pickle. Now see, if I want to open it, I can't do it because it's a binary file. Okay, you can't actually open this particular file in a code editor. If you open it anyway, see, if you open it in somehow, you will see these kinds of text. Actually, this is actually binary. That's why it won't be visible, okay, properly. So let me close it. Now let's say I want to unpickle this particular file and I want to see whether my function is returning this particular statement or not. Hi, my name is Bappi and I'm a programmer. So what I will do, I'll do the unpickle operation. To unpickle it, again you have to use this particular pickle library, and again just open the file now in a read binary mode. That means you want to read the file. Now you have to use pickle.load. So load you will be using for the unpickling, and dump you will be using for the pickling operation. The same thing we have learned for the serialization and deserialization, I think, remember, right? Now see, if I load this particular file and now if I print the p, that means my function object, it will return me, hi, my name is Bappi and I am a programmer. That means I'm able to successfully save this particular function as it is, okay, in a binary representation, and I can load it anytime and I can use it. In any file, I can load this particular function and I can use it there. Okay, that is the idea. So yes, we'll be using this particular pickling concept a lot whenever we'll be learning machine learning, deep learning. Okay, there actually will be using this particular pickle format. So yes, this is what I just wanted to let you know. And these are the way actually we can follow to handle any kinds of file, right, inside Python. So yes, thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I will see you next time.